There are a couple of stories out this morning and over the last few weeks about jobs in banking disappearing in the next 5 years. You've got Vic Pandit, former CEO of Citigroup, saying that 30% of banking jobs will disappear in the next 5 years because of artificial intelligence. Deutsche Bank said the same thing just a couple of weeks ago. What's your take on that?
Yeah, I think that technology is very important in terms of the future success of the business. How it's going to impact the number of team members we have, I don't know for sure. We're very proud of the fact that we have 270,000 team members at Wells Fargo. They do a great job every day. But I've been in this business for 30 years, and technology has changed that business every year for that time period. How many team members we have 5 years from now, I'm not smart enough to know.
Are you using machine learning and artificial intelligence the way some of your competitors are in terms of looking to actually, be more cost effective?
Well, we're using artificial intelligence and data to provide more products and services to our customer. We created an innovation group about 2 years ago where we centralized all of our innovation activity. They're working on a variety of products and services for our customers. One of them is, how do we use data, how do we use artificial intelligence to provide a better experience for our customers so that they feel like we know them like they would if they went to see one of our tellers, as well as if they were talking to their phone.
It's interesting because on the one hand, you've got to change people at Wells Fargo, particularly after this last year. And when you're changing people and changing the makeup of how businesses gets done, you could actually impact the plans for growth. So you've got to walk this balance of changing out people because you've got to send messages that things like this won't be tolerated.
That's absolutely right. And what I'm proud of the fact is the hard work and effort of our team to fix what is broken and build a better Wells Fargo. During this same period over the last year, we've in the second quarter, we generated $5.8 billion of earnings for our shareholders. That's the 19th consecutive quarter, again, even during a very challenging period, that Wells Fargo has made more than $5 billion. There's only one other company in this country that can say that, and that's Apple.
Yeah, that's incredible, actually. So in terms of continuing that, is it the mortgage business? Does that drive the business?
No, not at all. I mean, the mortgages business is very important for Wells Fargo, don't get me wrong, and we're proud of the fact that we're the largest mortgage lender. But one of the secrets to Wells Fargo, which isn't really that much of a secret anymore, is how diversified we are in terms of our businesses. We're very big in many of our consumer businesses, in our wholesale business, and wealth and investment management. That diversification has helped us weather storms like you were describing earlier in 2008 and 2009 that allowed us to be able to acquire Wachovia, and it's helping us weather the storm that we're going through right now because of some of our retail banking sales issues.
Are there areas that you'd like to expand through acquisition at this point?
Well, I'd like to expand all areas, and we've grown organically throughout our history, but we've also grown through acquisition. Just last week, we announced the acquisition of a $51 billion mortgage servicing portfolio from Seneca Mortgage.
Right, I saw that.
There's lots of opportunities out there, but first and foremost, our job number one is rebuilding trust with our stakeholders.
And do you think that that's going to be an issue for the next couple of quarters? Are we still going to feel this account scandal? When can you say, okay, definitively, we're looking forward?
Boy, Maria, I wish I knew. I'd love to be able to flip a switch, and I can't promise that. What I can promise is that we've got 270,000 team members that are very focused on our customers, and they're making a difference. And so we are moving forward even while we're fixing issues within the company.
Tim, it's great to have you on the program.
Thank you very much, Maria.
Thank you so much for telling us about it. Tim Sloan is the president and CEO at Wells Fargo.